Genesis 27. Deception, blessing, and family conflict. Genesis 27:27 through 28. Isaac's blessing to Jacob. So he came near and kissed him, and Isaac smelled the smell of his garments, and blessed him and said, "See, the smell of my son is as the smell of a field that the Lord has blessed. May God give you of the dew of heaven, and of the fatness of the earth, and plenty of grain and wine." A blessing of abundance and favor from God. Genesis 27:29. Authority and dominion. Let peoples serve you, and nations bow down to you. Be Lord over your brothers, and may your mother's sons bow down to you. Cursed be everyone who curses you, and blessed be everyone who blesses you. A prophetic declaration of influence and divine protection. Genesis 27:33. Isaac's trembling realization. Then Isaac trembled very violently and said, "Who was it then that hunted game and brought it to me? And I ate it all before you came, and I have blessed him. Yes, and he shall be blessed." Isaac confirms the blessing stands despite deception. Genesis 27:34. Esau's bitter cry. As soon as Esau heard the words of his father, he cried out with an exceedingly great and bitter cry, and said to his father, "Bless me, even me also, O my father." A moment of deep emotion and longing for blessing. Genesis 27:41. Esau's resentment. Now Esau hated Jacob because of the blessing with which his father had blessed him. And Esau said to himself, "The days of mourning for my father are approaching. Then I will kill my brother Jacob." A start of a dangerous family conflict.